what have you achieved from this work you are doing?
And this thing, even if I achieve or I didn't achieve, I have to do it.
No, I just want to know if it will encourage someone.
I'm achieved plenty things from it.
Like?
Yes, even as I'm here, I can say that this one is now protecting for my life.
You even challenge this more than the school?
No, I'm not challenges. Because those people are going to school, they are normal coming to me always. Can you run to swang the nerbasham ko yell swang some man yella ula? Can yara I they don't see how the spirit are working.
Why?
But we nordness you people are not used to it. And we nordness we are used to it. So we if you saw spiritual man like this enough, the way we used to respect
normal padlock.
Yes.
What does it do?
The reason why I'm holding it is part of my work.
Akan TV, the internet, the bro. Subscribe for more.
Yama ashefo nyina akwaba enen so daso nko a ototrobo nso twiri ampon ede acheyen na enne yebedi nkomo no ye papa no ono onte twi nti yebeka ne brofo menim se ebeyere so eden ya yebeye isan say sometime no we need to accept every language, because it's not all the time that three people will come onto this platform to me share sentem na before we free as eburu so a no any free as here eye kokko ni na ne say papa adanse free bi aba na adanse ba so a before say ade bia no there's always the first time nti ehwe sa adanse aba fe papa ho no ebeboa akanti bebusu na ko me dem dika akase bebusu na first ansana de ho no aba na ade ba kon ye tie mistake pan say you nipa bi ono mo a obehwe na appearance na bia wobu no efo so nipa we de ontumi nya ade bi say but de bia meka say eduro anase sunsum anase adom yankopon onhwe nipa na ho fe nenim nya na ne dibiem no de ama no ne mo hwe enema bebra ye nipa ye nyeden ye nhwe na de ho adom ama obi enti se papa ya tese adom wo no so na so ode buo nipa de a ya beje na kwaba wa kan TV ni I man try say ebe ya adan ye busua no so no ebenya adanse enu nti na dwumedie ne ahyase me ne Amos ene action mama ene oba partner na de squad no do support here squad ni wo na dwumedie eba na ye nche ho no ye be man akwaba. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Will you please speak louder?
Yes.
What's your name, please?
My name is Chief Malaguna from Dagbang. Chief Malaguna from Dagbang Kingdom.
Dagbang Kingdom.
Yes.
That means north.
Yes.
Which region is that?
That's northern region.
Northern region. Yes. Tamale precisely.
Yes.
Okay. So when we say Chief Dagbang, Chief, the name again?
Chief Dagbang Kingdom. Chief Malaguna.
That is what I wanted.
Yes.
Chief Malaguna. What's the meaning of Chief Malaguna?
Yes. The Malaguna meaning is that if there is something wrong in our kingdom, I'm the one who settle the things.
So that means peacemaker.
Yes, to be coming okay for
dispute setter.
Yes.
Okay. Somebody will ask, what does Chief Malaguna do to help mankind?
My work there is plenty. Even accept spiritual side. I'm always be helping people, not easy. That's why our king give me this chieftaincy.
So you were a chief?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
A chief at your Dagbang?
Yes, Dagbang Chief Malaguna.
So let's go to the spiritual aspect. We've been hearing that there are a lot of juju men over there in the north. Is it true? And are they really to help people in this country?
In fact, I can't say they are not really, but I can see that they are not really. Some of them are not really. Like as I said, as I'm sitting here, people know me plenty in Dagbang there. And I can I can't do what? I can't escape myself in Dagbang if you come. If you just come Dagbang to say Chief Malguna, everybody.
So that means you are popular there.
Yes, yes.
What made you popular there?
My work.
Your work as in
Yes, my work at the spiritual side.
spiritual person.
And yes, and how I can gather the people to be coming together, unite.
Okay. Let's go to the spiritual aspect. What exactly do you do when we come to the spiritual aspect?
And in fact, I'm doing plenty.
Tabulate some, mention some.
Like as you are, no? If you have something problem, like you have court case, I can just solve it at once for you once and for all. And you even go and they will not even call you to come back for report again.
Call your case again.
Yes.
And
they will
is it-
just do like they forgot of the case.
And is it working? Are you sure?
I'm totally.
That Atuguba will sit on his chair
He will just
and he will
forgot-
call a case, and the person will say, I will not attend because I've been held by
He will
chief.
even forgot of you. Atuba will not even remember of the case.
Hey,
Not even-
is it working or is by mouth?
That's why I said if you want, just do investigation in Dagbang.
Have you helped someone who has brought testimony before?
In fact, plenty people.
And what did you do to help them?
And I've do a lot of things to help them and they succeed.
Like what? If someone is watching, what has brought the testimony that the person should also come and see you for similar testimony?
Yes, like if you want to be a leader, like you want to be a MP or something like that, let's talk about the leadership. If you come to me, by all means, you will get it.
So you help people who are vying for position,
Yes.
like MPs,
Yes.
ministers.
Yes.
Are you sure ministers come to you? Is it
even
not
the-
by mouth?
They knows me. They knows me.
Ministers know you.
They knows me. Even
What
the
about the
past
MPs?
ministers knows me. All of them.
Let's start from here. From North Abi.
Yes.
What makes Northern special when we come to spirit? Do they have spirit?
In fact, we have.
And do the spirit help?
Not easy.
So what are some of the things that you can look at the camera and tell us that it has been helping people over there in North and can help people over there in the South?
You know, I can't best tell like that because everybody have his problem. So if you come with your problem, inshallah, I'll solve it for you. I will get what I say. If you come with your problem, any problem you have, I can help you.
Let's come to how you got your power. Is it somebody that you served gave you the power? Is it from the home or you went out and got them yourself?
And this one there is for property for me from my grandfather. Because of small boy, that's why I didn't even room to hear how to speak Twi. But my grandfather was used to hear many languages because he was roaming. This one is normal coming to me for like when I'm sleeping. When my grandfather died and I'm sleeping until daybreak, this one is no follow everybody like that, but it's a family thing. It's a family powers. When the leader died, until daybreak, it will go to someone. So you will be the power of the distance.
So it means the spirit was for your grandfather.
Yes,
Is it father or mother?
My grandfather.
Your grandfather.
Yes.
And because you served him well,
Inshallah.
when he died or when he passed away, he handed over the power to you.
Yes.
And what power is that?
Come again.
What power is that? Is it nature God's power or power from Allah? What we've been saying.
This is nature God's power.
Nature God's power.
Yes.
Do you know its name?
Yes.
What's the name?
The name is longer, so The name is longer and it is not advisable for me to mention it in media like this. But if you come to me, by all means, you hear the name. Because if you come with your problem, by all means, I have to mention the name before you can get what you want from me.
What have you achieved from this work you are doing?
And this thing, even if I achieve or I didn't achieve, I have to do it.
No, I just want to know if it will encourage someone.
I'm achieved plenty things from it.
Like?
Yes, even as I'm here, I can say that this one is now protecting for my life.
So you have protection?
Yes.
That one is enough for you?
In fact.
And what makes protection more important than anything, if you can educate us?
The things are plenty.
And that is why you are sitting here. So tell someone, because you always talk about protection. And people are yearning to get into this kind of protection. So you as a spiritualist who has gotten your protection already, how can you best explain or how can you best describe your protection so that somebody will get enticed and the person can involve?
Yes, the protection is now this is modern world and I can see people are suffering in their life. And God didn't create us to come and suffer in the world. He created us to come and enjoy. So if you suffer in your lifetime, meaning that there is something wrong in your life. So if you come to me, I'll know how to do and protect you and you'll be free in your lifetime. Like if you are a hustler, like you go to abroad and the things are hard for you there, you can come to me. Inshallah, I'll do the things for you to be free and get what you want from me.
Let me make this clarification. This man has a lot to tell us. He has a lot, but because of the language barrier, both of us are soft because I don't understand his language and he doesn't also understand the tree. Yes. So we all struggle with the foreign language called English. So when you see him struggling, it is not his language, but we are all trying. But let's do in this way. Can you, so far what we have discussed, say it in your language, in your local language, so that people from your land can hear you, even if we don't hear?
Yes. To ne yel shelma ko nyala mpuiram ma bi dagbamba ka yere ntuma ne nye shele on re di so kampo mi ma dagbang ne nye ne vukso ne pun swang de nirbe sham so obo e ma questions ma ta paga karang man silmi silma ayan fame kan yoro ne to swang de nirbe sham ko yel swang sam ma nyala wula kan yara ay nye bi palle tan jiya ma na wonnam tam ne ta kanate vuhe kazang duniya ditmanga wabnam tan ta kanata di wahala da zo ai ta dir wahala bi go pune ye to ashelen cheka dir wahala ma kamna ta pama ne wulin ye to ashel dan malama kan yi ile akwable ne ka gbaza hacce wahala di bi go pune wahala ma nyala shele hal sokul di wahala tab nyel grab jalan zan chancel min tanga ntukulam jaladin ne ntlan nan aye nur da bi oya gana be in yetan ya kaza dara so dan ma za kana tuntu songa kalala wa alama za kara kulci a lifetime forever and ever to song something ye shelen bayama mboar la tun tale bumbo ka boar bi egu pune kare kana nawo yiko no nam pune the song some biane.
What language is that?
Dagomba language is that.
Dagomba language. Yeah. That is northern region Ankasa.
Yes.
We some for we the mamindi can empotombre hansa because me adwuma no me no ye din komo no bebre so far there ono person o chene ne say o you be a owo esrem northern region impotemu na o ye sunsumuni na sunsum no there ye de be atiri ne nana ena nam sompo sum ye nti nana no dane tumi no e ma no because ye na nim say nipa ni wu a dodo na omuje tumi no e ma nkora a omo ye asomre ma omo tonya tumi no ono de obo nipa bibisa nse wa obo nipa do se no so bebre na kasa no he ne dinti na opeso o che se ono de onya do problem ba na se sunsun problem ko ande a o consult na nanomo a omutumi eboa na the woman ne se bambo enyoma no hu no ho na ye bebrebe no eye bambo nyoma na wo no ho na bambo de wakwadere mu ho na yeduro nti ye betoa so e obrofo no mu ewi a mesan chechim se na be ya bibia be kama. So now say na rather na de man no. Now let's come to the show itself. This show is purposely for people who are much interested in the spiritism.
Yes.
Because we have known that God himself is spirit.
Yes.
And those who want to worship him, we should worship him in spirit. And whenever we talk about spirit, the youth of today don't value spirit because they think life is about getting job, getting pay, getting girls, flexing all around, and those who are also calm, get their wives, get their children, and be what you call responsible. But as northern member or as a northern man, we want to know the way we are taking the spiritual aspect low here in the southern part. Is it the same as the north? Do you also joke with the spiritual issues there?
The reason is that I don't blame you Southerners, because most of Southerners, they don't see how the spirit is working.
Why?
But we Northerners, you people are not used to it. And we Northerners, we are used to it. So we if you saw spiritual man like this in North, the way we used to respect him, even when I was too small, if we hear someone is a spiritual man, my grandfather is always advise me, respect this man, because he know what spiritual man can do. And Southerners, most of them, they don't know what spiritual man can do.
So we don't respect them.
Yes, and the reason is that most of Southerners call themselves spiritual men, but they are not really. So if he's coming to you and the things is not really, he won't value anyone. Have you gotten me? Because of he didn't saw the action of the spirit. But if you come to me like this, or someone come to me like this and saw the action of the spirit, by all means you will tell your colleagues to respect spiritual fathers.
So it means you are talking about the respect that we don't give to our spiritualists. And you made mention of their lifestyle. Some of them are not rare.
Yes.
And because the person got somebody's work and couldn't do it, meanwhile the person has taken the person's money,
yes,
without doing anything,
yes,
people don't respect them.
Yes.
But over there in the north, the spiritualists are rare. Is that what you want to tell us?
Yes.
So you have rare spiritualists in the north.
Spiritual, that's why I said this is formal things. You can't go market to buy spiritual powers. Yes, they don't sell spirit in market. The things that I'm holding, if you go and roam the whole world at the markets, you won't get it to buy.
These things?
Yes.
But these things are common. If you don't get it, how did you get them?
That's why I said this is property for me.
You are holding something on your left hand. Can you say something about them? The red thing.
This one, this is padlock.
Normal padlock.
Yes.
What does it do?
The reason why I'm holding it is part of my work. The way I can use this one to help people is not easy. If you are looking for a woman without getting it, and just go and choose the one that you want, and come to me, I'll lock the woman inside this padlock for you.
And is it good? Is it something that you should be praised of? Locking someone. Is it?
I'm not going to lock the person to be coming dead or to be humble or something like that.
You lock for someone to sleep with. It's good.
I'll lock the person, the girl, to love you.
So it's a love matter.
Yes.
So you are a love helper.
Yes, love. And then if you are struggling for business and you like as a seller, market seller, and your market is not going well for you, I can use this one to do it for you. Inshallah, when you will even sleep and wait for daybreak. because you will know if you go to market how you can get.
What about the other one too?
Which one?
The red one, or it's for fashion?
Yeah, no, this one that is
Okay,
the mother.
So they work together.
Yes, that's the mother.
No, listen, I've been interviewing most of your colleagues. Having all these things, you're also having the same thing. Most of them, I've gone to about 16 of them. Whenever I could, they have plenty of these things. Why all these things? Do you want to look weird for people to know that you are powerful, or they mean something to your work?
That's why I said they don't buy juju in market. Even if you hold all these things without powers inside, it can't do. You can't help anyone. And if you can't help anyone, I don't think, like, if you, because of you are not in North now, if you come to North, that's why I said I can't escape myself in North, because Northness knows me properly and know how I'm normal helping people always. So I'm holding it with powers, not for nothing.
Spiritualists in North, do they know you?
Yes.
Those who do spiritual work, because I know some of them. And do they know you?
You know something. Even some of them are coming for me to help them for spirituality.
Spiritualists there.
Yes.
So you are some of them master.
Yes. Even some of them was follow my grandfather until my grandfather dead, and then things come to me, and they are still follow me to help them.
What makes you special? Why are they following you? You have something they don't have, or what?
You know, some of them, they are just like, they are just go to some people to
get spirit.
Yes, to get spirit.
They got spirit on the ground.
Yes, you know, to get something from someone, no matter how, it will be different than to get it from
the master himself.
Yes, that's the.
Is it easy to get spirit?
It's not easy.
So why are you saying some of them got their spirit anyhow?
That's why I said, if you get it anyhow, it won't be really one.
You are making spirit getting is easy, be.
It's not easy. That's why I said, if you get it easy, it won't be really one, unless you come to see we those people get it from our grandfathers. Like even Dagbang Kingdom, all of them was know my grandfather. He was not an easy man in Dagbang. Because of, if you know Dagbang history, you may know 1994, 1995, there was a war in Dagbang. They are the leaders of the war.
They won.
War.
Did they win?
They will win. They will win. If you want, you can do the research. They will win. Even when my grandfather was there, if he want the war should spark today, no matter how it will spark. If he want it to stop today, it will stop.
You are much interested in fight, wars, all these things. What makes you like those things?
I don't like it. I'm only tell people what I can do.
No, I'm referring in a general way. It's still going on. Anywhere there is violence, you hear Northness name. Anywhere there is anything that is not good for the country, you hear Northness name. And we keep on blaming you. And most of the time you tell us that, oh, because we were bath with Juju when we were kids, Juju is with us, Juju is in us. And for that reason, you don't feel anything. And Ghana, some of our colleagues know that you are causing problem for them. And all this boils down to your Juju. Is your Juju helping?
Yes. Nowadays, that's why I said Juju can help a lot. And what you said, no, most of them, they normally come to us, you know, if you give him something small, and he knows that if I enter here, nothing will happen to me. He can enter with vim. That's why you normally hear their names, places like that. That's why I said you Southerners, you didn't see how the spirit is working. That's why you don't value it. If you are a Southerner and you come to me and get some powers and you believe it, No matter how, if there is violence somewhere, you need to enter there because you believe that if you enter, you will win. That's the case.
Let's come into this way. We don't want to waste my time on this talking because we analyze things and we try to talk again. But so far, we are getting it. The main reason why we invited you here is to make yourself available for people to know. Not available that you should collect people's money without working. That thing is going on much on this land. People are claiming to be spiritualists, taking people's money without working. What is your motive? Are you here to help people, or you are here to be like those people I've already talked about?
In fact, what you are asking me, I'm very happy because as I'm sitting with you, I'm here talking to you about money issues. I'm not cutting money. I'm not charming money. I'm not doing money issues. But I'm losing my job, or I'm struggling without getting it. And if you come to me, I'll help you to succeed in your lifetime. But I'm not doing money issues. So I'm no for money charmer or something like that.
Did you go to school?
No, I'm not going to school.
Why? What stopped you from going? Because North, you had school free.
In fact, the reason is that's why I've tell you that when I just wake up, my father died early and they give me to my grandfather. And this the work that my grandfather was doing.
So you also have to follow?
Yes, I'm always follow him.
Always at the steps of your grandfather?
Yes. Oh. Yes, he was not having...
Anyway, he has given you powers and you are now going to eat from it, isn't it?
Yes. Even what is given to me, I'm very happy.
Without going to school? You even cherish this more than the school? No,
I'm not challenges. Because those people are going to school, they are not coming to me always. They are coming to me.
You didn't go to school, but those who have gone to school will come to you. Hey, seriously.
They are coming to me. Even some of them, some people, they will need to, like the students. If you are a student, need to pass your YC or BC. Yes, they know.
Why you didn't go?
Yes, I didn't go to school.
This thing is very serious, so let's focus on it. This man has not been, even not in class 1.
Yes.
But he's helping people who have gone to university, who have their degree, masters and PhDs. And you even help people to pass the exams.
Yes.
Meanwhile, you didn't go to school.
Yes.
Hey, this is power. And I do think it's rare, it's true.
If you know, this is modern time. That's why I said, if it is not true, like I'll be here and people, I have a phone. Like I'll be here and people will text me or people will call me that what you are saying is not true. Are you getting me? So I know what I can do and people knows me and they know what I can do. Because of you don't know me before, that's why you are now doubting or something like that. But people knows me really.
It's serious. And when this high ranking official, when they come to this people, they bow. They go there, oh, Nana, doctor. And these people will come and say, oh, spiritual thing is of no use. Meanwhile, you are benefiting it. Let's come to conclusion. We are in this country every blessed day. People are damaging people. People are trying their best to make money out of people. Have you seen it? Have you heard? And what makes or what takes you have?
I've seen it. You know, you can't go and help someone without consultation. If someone is even struggling to collect this your phone, if someone is even struggling to collect this phone from you, and you didn't come to tell me that I should help you, I'll even sit my house without knowing it that somebody is struggling to take your phone from you. But if you come and tell me, I'll help you to have your phone and benefit more than that. That's how I'm doing. But you can't be sitting in your house
or someone has brought his problem to you, you don't care.
Yes, I can't just be coming to market and be giving information that I'm going to help people. I can't do that.
You need help. work on it.
Yes, if you need help, you come to me. That's why I said I'm popular in Dagbang, even Ghana. People knows me because I'm not helping only Dagombes. People coming from South, even outside counters. I have people in Nigeria, Gambia, Sierra Leone. I have plenty people
That you help.
Yes.
And they bring testimony.
Of course.
Send what we have discussed so far to a language and we brush up.
To ne yari to ashel ngwa nyame yar la ntire bamba wum de dagbanle ne nyane mvoso en second dagbang za pum mima dagbang malguna so kam mima kam min tuma ne nyesham bamba mima kan yar dam bongo tira ama bam mima nguna bam min pun swangde nirba sham ko boema ta page a chang shukuru kan yele a yin bi chang shukuru karan nun wala egypse bozo kan bi chang shukuru do mutum mala free free education in Dagbang kan yelo yel mangle ne yisna mpuar ma kan ba twi yabdu ka bazang batika o wumsman yabdu mami o unku yisna pa gomne lala bukata shangana gbobun kanye ko o zangla zero manga den tuna dadam do me bukata nguna da jimang ya so kana ta paga ko bukata mare ne yisna kul puar ma kadulu kanyera mbo kana mbwar la pa ko jama ko o ku bukata ma ko changtiel labna ka jila pa mana ta pu kan mbo kana zaglam boar la ministerial post be zaglam boar la impitale kat ko songo kat ta karnyelo tien lab mana ka bondo honorable nan tamo lela MP ma bi o lela minister ma be mboar nan lela bank manager nirba kana la pam kan nimblin yele in lifetime entel ko te ki kala la ban yi erngwa ma kulma la ban yi erngwa ma na kulma ko boy ma ne ba chang school ma wumdar nyasam kan in wumda dama nirba kan nan san kan song da ba even ban chang school ma ba biala andam mane dama bakana ta parma kan terba song sam nin yeshere kab chen kab lubta nin da zo a chang shukuru man ba ba bjani dama nyinde bora bukata mai gwan kanan san kan ta mai bukata mata da zo on ka problem ne ba chang shukurma
aha ena o pese o chere yenuanum dodo na omuwo esremu no obi yesunsumne a omudi buo kese emano ba ye hanom ne de mfabu ema yankofo na reason ne say ohun say dodo na tusunfo no na na omubu nkofo to bi de ne ha obrel na wantumi ansolve a onam obebo dinbone nti bu oso de ma wono ubelusu nti omumbu na osaka say ntokwa bi esi omukrum wono ne nana omo tribe no omudi nkun na ne nana eyobi a ona sebio no oye obemfo ma omo na tutoko so a bedu bebi a o ka se ono de me bisa na question bi se mpempi no yenim se ndro na esimfo didi no yeye bia ba na esimdin wo ensa de na haye pa ko esimfo no bebre na ye me se esimfo am ne omo esan me nyombo ni ayeda ba yeye bebe bia na Mustafa me amedium de amami Sule baba na wo na ndro omodidi omo nananom de adwadwa montina omo pesa ansam ntokwa sem na o se ono de obeka ne pense omo ankasa na nam nuru ntomu nso ade to bi a wo nko no omo de ometume wura ho ka omo ho enu nti yemfo omo sa na sebisebio yenkurekuro omo se na be ya omo so bete ase na ye be wie kura na o ka se ono bibisa so ko school no so no nko school da enso onko school da no adoma chede owo na chance wakosu because onkra na omo betwe waye kekra na ye consult ono onko school da na e ma ne bo mo pass empo ministers MPs Ghana form abobo degree akese PhD akese for kro no nsi school mu da no omo ba ne ho e ma ono de ne tumi ne na adoma na nanom ama no eboa na je se sayo nti ne hu hia na yembu na bem na mbisa nse nti eboa no osin adwuma na de eboa no pa because oni hwekra enema tata no berebewe na no eboa no ma se tuokra na obeto a enka no se jan na obeto enka na je se ono no obehu ne se onam honum wanko school there's none of me no a chance wakobo PhD. So on this note we are ending the show, but I will urge this my brother here to mention your name again and you tell us your last words and we wrap up.
My name is Chief Malguna in Dagbang Kingdom.
Chief Maruguna.
In Dagbang Kingdom. What I have to tell people is that most of juju men are normal coming to me for me to help them to also use to help people. So nowadays, I'm the one who's sitting here. I'm the father of the spirit. I'm the mother of the spirit. I can help people. Even if you're like, you're as a man and my penis is not powerful, I have some medicine I can give to you if you come once, if you just take it. And if you are a woman and you didn't give birth, like you can marry 2-3 years, even some of them are more than that, without giving birth. If you come to me, I'll help you even and give you a days that you get your pregnant and give birth and also take care of.
Give us your phone number.
My phone number is 027 505 8840. 027 505 8840.
Well, let's end the show, but mami puto mami fambe tree baby o kan e di wie o si ade person o chen say ono de o esunsumni na oba so obeboa nipa bebre na yen ye ko mo ho no omo so ba ono no ho nti obiara ne master baha nti se ohia master na nkasa ono ana oteano nti se wo ha obi a oboa na wasan kase be ma untu mbo adwuma ompa so no oboa sa yare no so na afi so awo so no oboa tinisa yo ntino wo ha wa betumi afre no the number tudwa ye di si share video na like na subscribe na anya hwekra no wa kira ade wa kire esremunsem wa kire sunsumsem bi a ufa bi no de bobra ebeyi enye ni na akra fa bi na wiase no de bia meka se utu anamon bi na de ofiri ho ba no ka che se ho nya kwan ne munya tie ona na ofiri ho ye de eba aboafo no do so meche nyi jata kokubo for media police and large kere ne me offer ma minche TB amoa na Amos ne boaye ashima ma so tachi na the architect na so tachi dwumedie ni ewie pa emphasize da ma otwede ampon sanse ono na adom na ma dwumedie na ewie pa share like na subscribe adom nti amen.
Akan TV, the internet, the bro. Subscribe for more.